Let's make a mini submarine in 6 easy steps. Here's a list of everything we need. A transparent bottle, 1 transparent plastic tube, some water balloons, a few metal coins, a syringe, a pair of scissors and some tape. First, we need to poke 7 holes in the bottle and 1 through the cap. Ask an adult's help when handling scissors. Next, we attach a few coins to the bottle with tape. Make sure that the tape doesn't cover the holes in the bottle. Unscrew the bottle cap and put the tube through it. Fix a balloon to one end of the tube using some tape. Put the balloon in the bottle and seal the cap with some tape. In the final step, attach a syringe to the other end of the tube. Our submarine is ready! Let's test it out! Our submarine has a lower density than water. The holes in the bottle allow water inside to increase the submarine's density. The weight of the coins help the setup sink to the bottom. Filling the balloon with air makes the submarine's density lower than water and it floats up to the surface. Deflating the balloon makes the submarine's density higher than water and it sinks back to the bottom. Now you can control the underwater submarine by changing its density.